Hey, we're here on the Kordz stand. I'll take you a quick walk through the stand. In front of me here we have the Kordz Termination Challenge returning again. World record is 36 seconds. No one has seemed to have broken it yet, but we'll see how it goes. We're only on day 2. Behind me here we're demonstrating our active optical Pro 4 cable, which is holding up a full box of Cat 6 Kordz cable, about 15 kilograms, as it's running video through to that TV, which is pretty cool. We get to show off how robust our cables are when you're pulling it through a wall, especially now that we go to 100 meters. It needs to be quite robust when you're pulling on that cable. As I walk through the stand, we have all the Kordz products laid out on the wall here. So our HDMI, we bought quite a new range of HDMI cables. The range has changed a little bit this year, and we're happy to display all that. We have our HDMI, our Pro 4, PRS4 1 series, and R.3. And then we also have our new USB cabling. So our new USB cabling is here. Passive cables from 0.5 meter to 10 meters. USB 4, 20 gig, 240 watt power delivery, which is pretty cool. The active optical cables to 10 meters are 60 watt power delivery and 10 gig USB 3.2. And then our normal termination and patch cord solution. So we have a lot of networking cabling, patch cords in Cat 6 and Cat 6A, shielded, unshielded, and bulk packaging, eco-friendly bulk packaging for both of those, which is fantastic. And that's pretty much covering all the Kordz stuff, which is a big part of us because we are Kordz. But we also distribute some other brands. So we distribute a brand called Speaker Snap, and they have some snap down mechanism terminations for banana plugs and Phoenix connectors, and some outdoor hubs and wire interfaces. And those are displayed down there. And then as we move through the stand, we have another new brand that we're starting to distribute called Netvio. So they are focused on AV distribution solutions. So your AV over IP solutions from 4K 30, 4K 60, and Dante. And we've got a full video wall here, a 2x2 video wall operating with the Netvio AV over IP, plus the Netvio Go control system, controlling everything. And then we have a fully built rack over to the left here as well, which we've put together to showcase all the Netvio products.